Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to be going over this review on my level 8 carry-on, Softside carry-on. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say they're interested in a carry-on and you're thinking about getting the level 8 carry-on. Is it actually a good carry-on? Now with this carry-on, I'd say the main difference is between a Softside carry-on, sorry let me move the sunlight, and a hard case carry-on. These Softside carry-ons are easier to put overhead bins. They're easier to place on luggage holders as well. It's a one-sided open, so if we actually go ahead and open it up, here you'll actually see the inside in which it opens like this. Here you have a pocket right over there. You have a mesh pocket here. You've got clips over there to kind of compress your clothing as well. The front pockets, this is something that most hard cases don't have, but these are really useful for just putting like some notes, papers, some travel documents inside here as well. But overall, I'd say with this level 8 carry-on, it's a nice, smooth rolling system. It's got a handle on the side, a handle on the top. Here you can see it, you got the telescopic handle right over there as well. And the wheeling system is very smooth. Okay, so I've used this multiple times throughout the airport and I've had no problems with it whatsoever. But if you're interested in a Softside carry-on, definitely check this out from level 8. It's a great piece of luggage to have, and overall, I've been very pleased with it.